case where like we need a deployment immediately for some reason, and you know, Lucian, me, or Thomason's not around, this is basically the gist of how you deploy. So you can always check what branch you're on by doing git branch, make sure you're on master, and then always do a pull. And you know, obviously they should be done after a pull request is made, and we're sure that the features we have should be tested out on the deployed version. So after I pulled, you know, these are the files that have changed based on all your edits. You see like a lot of the lab files have changed. And then, you know, after your code reflects these changes from the git pull, the command is npm run deploy. And so this takes a while. It basically rebuilds the React application and prepares it for deployment. And then it'll deploy it to the GitHub pages link, which is, you know, the build it yourself /IU 2020. It takes a few minutes for this command to finish. And it also, when it does finish, it might take a few minutes for the website to actually update. So, you know, don't be like, you know, afraid when the website doesn't seem to reflect your changes right after you deploy. For some reason, it takes a few minutes, usually, you know, from our experience. But the important thing to remember is, you know, switch to master, you know, git checkout master, double check that you're on master, and then git pull. And then after that, you run npm run deploy. And yeah, you'll know when it finishes the build cycle.
Could we maybe add this to the README? Because I feel like it, like, because we have all like the setup, so maybe if we add that, it could be easier to like check back.
Yeah, okay, I think that could be a good idea. Do you want to? If you have time, you can do that. If not, I'll get to it.
I just recorded this, so Andy, what if I think it'd be great if you'd write that README file. It's a great idea. I recorded this. I'll put it on YouTube and send you the link, and you can add to README file how to deploy.
And then also with like version control and committing and stuff.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, basically this is what it looks like. When it finishes, it says published. So yeah, you can probably just add another section and then, you know, follow the similar formatting or change it as you see fit. And of course, this is the link to. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So already I can see that. This probably needs to change too. This should say -IU 2020. Yeah, so yeah, if you want, you can add anything you deem helpful to the README. If not, I'll get to it sometime in the future. But if you have time, yeah, feel free to update this README.
Okay.
Okay, Andy, I'll send you the recording of this. Great. So I'll test, and Tomisi, before we adjourn, do you have the time and interest coming up during break to work with Andy on some of the front end, Andy and Michael?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Are you finished with exams?
Not yet.
Okay. Well, why don't you let me know when you're free, and then we'll make a project plan for the holiday break.
Okay. Yeah, sounds good.
Good. All right, Michael, thank you. Tomisi, thanks for helping Andy. Looks to me, Andy, like you're learning very, very quickly, so that's great. Okay, to be continued. Till next meeting.
Yep.
See you guys.
Bye, Michael. Bye, Tomisi. Bye, Andy.